Our final question about triangle theorems is actually a word problem. It says the angles in a triangle are consecutive even numbers. How large is each angle? So in this question, I'm not just going to guess and check. I'm going to actually try to do a proper word problem. So first thing I want to do is identify what I'm trying to find, and what I'm trying to find is how large is each angle. How many angles do we have? Well, it's a triangle, so there should be 3 different angles in that triangle. So I'm going to let something, I'm not sure what yet, be the first angle. I'm going to let something, still not sure what, be the second angle. And I'm going to let something be the third angle. Okay, well, if I reread through my question, it says the angles in a triangle are consecutive even numbers. The consecutive even numbers is the comparison part of that question. It's not a full-out comparison sentence, but at least it is comparing or telling me a little bit about those numbers. So if they are consecutive even numbers are things like 2, 4, and 6, and they are all 2 numbers apart. So if I let the first number be x, the second number should be 2 numbers bigger, so x plus 2. And the third one should be 2 numbers bigger than that, so x plus 2, or x plus 4. So I'm going to let x be my first angle, x plus 2 be my second angle, and x plus 4 be my third angle. And I think I might just draw myself a random triangle. I'm going to call this x, x plus 2, x plus 4. Now, normally in a word problem, it would have told me what the total was. It would have told me something about what they add to or subtract to or something that I could build an equation out of, and it didn't tell me that. But that is hidden in the fact that it is a triangle. And we know because of the supplementary, the sum of the angles in a triangle theorem, otherwise known as SATT, we know that the angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. So it didn't tell me the total in the question. You have to know what the total is based on our geometry theorems. So if I take my first angle plus my second angle plus my third angle, they should add to 180 degrees because of SATT. So my first angle is x, my second angle is x plus 2, my third angle is x plus 4, and they equal 180 degrees. I'm going to collect my like terms. I have x plus x plus x, which is 3x. I have 2 plus 4, which is 6. And that equals 180. I'm going to subtract 6 to try to solve. So I get 3x equals 174. And then I'm going to divide by 3. 174 divided by 3 is 58. So x is 58. So I want to know how big is each angle. So I know my angles are x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. So I'm going to try to figure out what, I guess I'll call it the first, which is just x, my second, which is x plus 2, and then try to find some space here. My third is x plus 4. So my first one is just x, which is 58 degrees. My second one is 58 plus 2, which is 60 degrees. And my third one is 58 plus 4, which is 62 degrees. So the angles are 58, 60, and 62 degrees. So I'm going to say, therefore, the angles are 58, 60, and 62 degrees.